Today is a very important day for Ethereum. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we are going to be breaking down the Ethereum price, and we're going to be looking at my price prediction for Ethereum over the next couple of weeks, as right now it's in a rising wedge, but we could be in the process of breaking bearish out of that rising wedge right now. There's some massive resistance above ETH sitting around $1,800, and if Ethereum's not able to break through that, we could see a drop several $100s to the downside. In this video, we're going to be discussing whether or not Ethereum's about to go through a big rally or a big fall, and if you want to know where Ethereum's heading over the next couple of weeks, you found the right video for you. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, but without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it.
Thought you were going to get more Jeb. Well, you will get Jeb here in just a second, but I quickly got to shout out one of our favorite companies and partner of this video, and that is Hedge. Some of you guys know what Hedge is, but in case you do not, there's a lot of fear right now in the market about exchanges. A, is the exchange about to go down and I'm going to lose all my money? And B, dang it, every time I move my money around in exchanges, I got to pay some fees. Well, Hedge helps solve that problem by allowing you to directly deposit into your cold wallet crypto from your job. That's right. You don't have to wait for your job to go ahead and get crypto and then pay you in it. You can sign up with Hedge today in the link below and get paid in crypto. Whether you want your entire paycheck or just a part of it, save yourself some exchange fees and get that crypto directly into your cold wallet so you don't have to mess with exchanges. If that's what you would love, go sign up today. Now, let's get back to Jeb.
As you guys can see here on the 4-hourly chart, Ethereum has been in a rising wedge ever since about July the 11th. This is a pretty significant movement because if Ethereum breaks bearish out of this rising wedge, as you would expect Ethereum to do so, then that could lead Ethereum to go back down to around $1,400 to $1,500 in correlation with what the previous all-time high is on Ethereum, sitting right here around $1,430. Looking here on the daily chart, you can see just how significant this movement is. Ethereum rallied all the way from a local low around $900 back here in June up to a local high of $1,800 just a couple of days ago. And if we break bearish out of this rising wedge, then that could lead for Ethereum to reject hard at some big resistance that it has right here. In fact, you can even see here on VPVR some of that big resistance, a lot of it coming in, going all the way up to the top here around 1820, which just so happens to be the exact level that we saw Ethereum top out at just yesterday. If Ethereum's not able to break above a lot of this VPVR resistance, then it's going to have a very hard time blasting off towards the 2000s region, and it could reject here pretty hard back down to these territories. Another thing to keep in mind is that Ethereum did touch its first take profit level from its Lux Algo buy signal on the daily chart. This buy signal came in clutch, really allowed for Ethereum to move very far to the upside over the last month. But the first take profit zone was starting at $17.69. We broke about $50 above that, indicating that we could be getting towards the end of where this first buy signal for Ethereum was predicting we would go. It does push all the way up to $2,200, but the point is we're seeing a lot of weakness coming out of the market. Much larger higher lows, but pretty much setting the exact same highs, indicating that the market could be running out of steam. And if inflation data comes out tomorrow looking bearish, such as anything above 9.1%, that could cause Ethereum to have a pretty major drop as well. In the long run, I do believe that Ethereum is going to go through a massive rally. In fact, it going over to proof of stake and it becoming almost deflationary is probably going to push Ethereum back to $5,000 or $10,000 within the next 24 months. That's an Ethereum price prediction that I am comfortable making. The fact of the matter is, though, in the next couple of months, in the next couple of weeks, there's a lot of uncertainty as to whether or not ETH2's merge is going to happen on time, whether or not it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, whether or not something's going to go wrong and allow for Ethereum to drop substantially as a result of that. And also, there are still many geopolitical and fundamental headwinds pushing against the cryptocurrency space. How Ethereum handles all of these hurdles is going to dictate whether or not it can go into a big rally over the next couple of months, or if due to a lack of buying pressure, it's going to trade sideways over the next couple of months. In the short term, we have a decision point probably that is going to lead to a decision on Ethereum in the next 3 days. Is it going to break bullish out of this rising wedge, continue moving to the upside as the ascending triangle pattern might predict, or is it going to break bearish and push down to support around $1,400 to $1,500? I think personally that you're going to more than likely see a break to the downside on Ethereum in the next 24 to 48 hours, but then the next several months, we're going to have to see if it trades sideways or is able to rally against the headwinds. In the long term, though, again, I am very bullish on Ethereum, and I do think you will see it up above $5,000 in the next 12, 18 months, probably hitting 10 within the next 2 years. depending, of course, on geopolitical and fundamental factors. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to sign up for Lux Algo using coupon code JEB, J-E-B-B, for 20% off at checkout with the link in the description box down below. It is our favorite technical indicator, and it has helped us in our trading and investing and analysis of these markets more than we could ever explain to you. We've got so many people that have signed up for Lux Algo, and they are loving it, so make sure to check it out with the link down below as well. Before I go, though, guys, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, comment down below so we can continue to give you the best videos possible. Peace.